What's up, guys? Welcome back to Built After 5, and today is actually about taking care of the family vehicle. So we're gonna be doing oil change, and we're gonna be doing some brake pads. So yeah, guys, follow along. Alright, guys, so while the oil drains, I wanted to talk to you guys about my setup here. Yeah, this is where my tools are at, my wrenches, sockets, and all that stuff. I don't have a toolbox yet, but eventually we'll get something. As you can see, the garage is not the best looking garage at the moment, but it's doing what it's supposed to, you know. I'm taking care of my family's vehicle and doing the maintenance that it needs to be done. But yeah, guys, I wanted to show you guys a little bit. So I wanted to talk to you guys about the brake kit that I got from Amazon, PowerStop Evolution Plus. So it does come with the hardware for the brake pads, and then the brake pads itself here. It's a good kit, guys. I recommend it. I've used this brand before, so it's been a while that we've changed these. I'm surprised they lasted that long, but it's time for the new ones, and the new ones look way better. the oil change was done and the rear brake pads were replaced. It's always nice to replace the cab filter also. This is the part number if you guys want to replace it yourself. It's from Advance or Napa or any place where you can get it. So let's get to it. The Jeep is ready for another week. I appreciate you guys watching and see you on the next one.